Good morning, students. Today we are going to be working on lesson 12.6 on measures of center. You need to remember that a measure of center is a single value used to describe the middle of a data set. A measure of center can be a useful way to summarize a data set, especially when the data set is large. There are 4 terms that you're going to need to know for this particular unit. So we're going to have mean, median, mode, and one that is not in your book but you need to know is range. All these definitions are in your book. The mean is the sum of the data items divided by the number of data items. The median is the middle value when the data are written in order. If the number of data items is even, then the median is the mean of the 2 middle values. The mode is the data value or values that occur most often. And then the range is the difference between the highest and the lowest value in that data set. So we are going to go ahead and do an example for each one of these. Okay? So the first example, we have 7, 18, 20, 8, 19, 10, 20, and 18. So the first thing we want to work through is the mean. So we want to add up all of these numbers, and you can do it however you want. I'm going to go 20, 40, 50, 68, and then I'm going to go from there. So I've got 68 plus 15 is 83. 83 plus 18 is 101. Plus 19 is 120. Okay? So I've added those up. So then I have to divide this number by the number of items in that set. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 120 divided by 8. And if you work that out, 8 goes into 12 one time for 8. You subtract and get 4, bring down your 0. 8 goes into 40 5 times. So the mean of this data set is 15. Okay? The next one we're going to do is the median. And if you remember, I told you that the median is the middle number in the data set when they are in order. So you have to go back to your numbers and put them in order from least to greatest. So we have 7, 8, 10, 18, 18, 19, and 20. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm missing a number. So 7, 18, 20. Oh, there's another 20. So we're double checking. And so when I look for the median, I work from both sides and move in. And since both my numbers are 18, your median is 18. Okay? The next one is your mode. And the mode is the most often seen number. So if I look back up at this set, I see that I have 2 20s and 2 18s. So my mode for this is 18 and 20. You need to remember that you can have one mode, you can have 2 modes, or you can have no modes. It just depends on your data set. Okay? And then finally, your range, you're taking the largest number in the set, which is 20, and you are taking the smallest number in the set, which is 7, and you are finding the difference. 20 minus 7 equals 13. So your range is 13. So that is a good example of finding mean, median, mode, and range for this set of numbers. So you will be doing lesson 12.6 on page 681 through 684, finding mean, median, and mode. You will be doing everything, so good luck. Have a great day.